boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Goron Guitar. Sam Fender, again with some great songs coming out there from the new album. And this one is called Crumbling Empire, alright? So I hope you will enjoy this. If you love that song, feel free to support me here on Goron Guitar. Goron Guitar is a crumbling empire without you guys, so spread the word that we're falling and we gradually need your help to build this up again. So yeah, your likes, your subscriptions, everything will be great to build up this channel. So thank you for support, guys, and now let's go into this song from Sam Fender. Okay, we have the capo set here on the second fret. With that, we have 4 easy chords. So let's go with the chords, starting with G. Okay, that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is the E minor, and it goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have a D chord here. This version looks like a C, and yeah, it goes 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, open E. And then guess what? The next chord and the final will be the C. So you just slide up to this position and have the same grip there. It gives you 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And there you have the chord progression: G, E minor, D, and C. Okay, so we have a strumming pattern we need to learn. It's a pretty long one. So if we go to the G, I'm gonna play and demonstrate one for you. Let's go. Okay, so you're gonna start with 1 down, then you're gonna play down, up, down. Okay, so down, up, down. So you're gonna start with 1 down, and then down, up, down. You're gonna repeat that down, up, down 2 times. So down, up, down, up, down. And then you're just going to end with down, up. And that's it. So down, and then down, up, down for 2 times, and then down, up. So like this. And in tempo. Okay, and a couple of rounds. Yeah, so that is a challenge here in the song. Now let's play just 2 string rounds per chord in the same order we learned. And so G2, E minor 2, D2, C2, and that's it. So. G and E minor, D and C. Alright, so that is how you're gonna handle Sam Fender's Crumbling Empire. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.